Ladies and gentlemen, and online viewers from around the world, welcome to Taiwan Excellence Smart Transportation Online Press Conference. My name is Jennifer Shi Carson, and I will be your host today. This press conference is organized by TAITRA, Taiwan's foremost trade promotion organization, in collaboration with the Bureau of Foreign Trade, Taiwan. And to kickstart today's program, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome Mr. Walter Ye, President and CEO of TAITRA, as he delivers his welcoming remarks. Let us give him a very warm welcome.
Distinguished guests from various industry and media, from Germany, UK, Poland, the Netherlands, Japan, India, Malaysia, the Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam, and from around the world. Good afternoon. Good morning. On behalf of TAITRA, Taiwan External Trade Development Council, I would like to welcome you to the Taiwan Excellence Smart Transportation Online Press Conference and Virtual Pavilion. According to markets, the smart transportation markets is expected to grow from $55 billion in 2017 to $149 billion in 2023. In Taiwan, several innovative smart transportation applications, including electrical scooter battery exchange stations and electric vehicle charging stations, and many successful products have been embraced by the international market. Taiwan's smart transportation and automotive parts products are also globally recognized for their high quality, sophisticated technology and consistent performance. Through this press conference, we will demonstrate how companies that have won the Taiwan Excellence Award can help their clients build smart cities in the upcoming post-pandemic era. Media and buyers around the world can connect from anywhere to get cutting-edge solutions from Taiwan. Today, 4 leading Taiwanese companies, including Acer ITS, Focus Electronics, Noodle, and Taiwan Huajue, will share their Taiwan's latest smart transportation technologies, including a smart parking meter system, AI network video recorder, EV charging station OS, and thin-type quiet switch. There will be a Q&A section after their presentations. Please feel free to join if you require additional information or further clarification. In addition to Taiwan Excellence events, TAITRA hosts the international exhibitions like AMPA. AMPA is ranked as the second largest automotive and motorcycle parts and accessories shows in Asia. Buyers and media from worldwide can find more advanced and high-quality smart transportation and auto parts available at AMPA. Before I conclude, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to you for joining us today. Please enjoy the conference. Thank you.
And thank you very much, Mr. Ye, for joining us today. Next, we would like to invite Mr. Guan Ji Li, Deputy Director General, Bureau of Foreign Trade, to say a few words. Please welcome Deputy Li.
Good day, everyone, all the friends online and offline. Today, I'm very pleased to represent Bureau of Foreign Trade to participate this online business press conference. And also special thanks to Mr. Walter Ye and all the industry and the media friends over the world. Good day. And also Bureau of Foreign Trade, together with Ministry of Economic Affairs Taiwan, this year's focusing on the implementation of Taiwan Excellence smart transportation systems. Taiwan Excellence is a national branding project sponsored by Bureau of Foreign Trade and also implemented by Taiwan External Trade Development Council. It is an enormously valuable platform that promotes Taiwanese products of the highest and the most advanced quality. Smart transportation technology industries right now currently one of the key industries that Taiwanese government is focusing on. And over the next 5 years, government together with other public and private sectors will invest more than $200 billion on the transportation infrastructures. And also this infrastructure includes smart traffic data analysis and services, upgrades to traditional transport industries, mobile services, improving accessibilities to services for the elderly, disadvantaged, and the remote populations, as well as innovative ventures for autonomous vehicles and the smart motorcycle technologies. And also Taiwan's electronic toll collection system, smart card system for public transport, smart parking system, and advanced driver assistance system have earned a very good reputation over the world and have successfully attracted system integrators, public transportation departments, and the sales agents from potential countries. Over recent years, we have also actively participated in various international exhibitions. With the success from these overseas marketing and the trade shows, Taiwan Excellence will continue to promote smart transport brands as we believe Taiwan has more to offer to the market and also more to offer to the world. Right now, COVID-19 pandemic has led to a suspension to global economic activities as the lockdowns have blocked most business travels. Therefore, we have been introducing the latest, most updated, and the most advanced Taiwan Excellent products through the virtual pavilions, which we will introduce to you all today. Taiwan Excellence Smart Transportation Exhibition showcases more than 55 Taiwan Excellence award-winning products, including smart transport solutions, automotive electronics, intelligent robots, automotive parts, motorcycle parts, and repair tools. Together, we have 4 outstanding business partners to participate in this online conference. We also invite more Taiwan Excellence business to introduce their products and share their global applications through the analysis on the latest industry trends. And also, interested business and the media can easily contact all the companies today via online inquiry form. We sincerely invite all potential partners to fully utilize these virtual pavilions and the contact features. Finally, I'd like to express my sincere appreciation to all the distinguished guests, business friends, leaders from the media, and our online viewers. We will continue to spread the word for more people to realize that Taiwan's smart transportation solutions and the products and technologies are the ideal choices for industries at home and abroad. I wish today's event a great success and a good health and thriving business to you all. And finally, please remember Taiwan Excellence that will make your everyday life excellence. Thank you.
And thank you, Deputy Lee, for gracing us with your presence. As Deputy Lee mentioned in his presentation, that this year, Taitra has set up an online pavilion to showcase the most cutting edge, the best, the award-winning products that Taiwan has to offer. You can access these online pavilions by going to the official webpage of Taiwan Excellence, www.taiwanexcellence.org, or by clicking on the link which we have included in the video description down below. And now I would like to give you a tour of the online pavilion. Welcome to the Smart Transportation Online Pavilion. Here we are at the home page of the Online Pavilion website. At the bottom of the web page, you will find several tabs which you can click on. They will direct you to the different product areas: tools and materials, motor parts, auto parts, and robots auto parts. There are 27 Taiwan Excellence brands with 55 award-winning products. Let's take the auto parts area as an example. As you enter the auto parts area, you will see many virtual products on display. If you wish to explore a product, simply click on the red dot above the product to view the product introduction. And you may also click on the 360-degree icon to bring up the 360-degree view of the product. Moreover, you can submit your inquiries and contact information to the virtual information counter. Upon receiving your request, Taiwan Excellence will connect you with your chosen Taiwan Excellence award-winning companies. And ladies and gentlemen, online viewers from around the world, from the online pavilion, we have selected 4 special products which we would like to feature and introduce to you here in this showcase in greater detail. And first, to my right, we have Noodles, Smart EV Charging, Noodle EV, and EVOS. Noodle EV is the #1 EV solution provider in the industry. Powered by Noodle EVOS, these smart chargers have management capabilities, provide simple charging for electric vehicles, and generate revenues for their owners. As we move along, here to my left, we have 2 models on display. They are the EMV 407TD, in addition to EIVP 5600. The EIVP 5600 is an industrial fanless NVR product. It supports AI and high computing performance. To its left, we have the EMV 407TD. It is an in-vehicle system that combines navigation and multimedia system and provides 4-channel instant video replay. Now, as we move down the line, here to my left, we have the silent switches by Huajie, Taiwan. If you would take a closer look, you might notice that here on display are the 6C series quiet switches. These switches create a noise reduction environment and target the market segment that emphasizes quietness, and they enable car users to enjoy a tranquil and comfortable driving environment. And further down the line, to my left, we have the Acer ITS Smart Parking Meter. It is Taiwan's first smart roadside parking solution. It combines automatic occupancy detection, license plate recognition, billing, payment, and a cloud management platform. It helps to create a paperless and sustainable city, reduces congestion, and enhances operational efficiency. And online viewers around the world, I hope that you had enjoyed our tour of our showcase. Now, we would like to invite the 4 companies that produce these products to each give a presentation. But before we begin, may I remind you that anytime during the presentation, if you have any questions, please feel free to submit them by clicking on the Q&A link, which you will find at the bottom of the page. Now, without further ado, I would like to introduce today's first presenter. Joining us today, first, we have Mr. Paul Lee from Ever Focus Electronics. He will talk about EverFocus's new era of smart AIoT mobile solution. Let us give him a very warm welcome.
Hi everyone, I'm Paul from EverFocus. It's my great pleasure to introduce our latest smart AIoT mobile solution. Firstly, let me tell you about our company. As our slogan emphasizes, your safety, our focus. For past 25 years, we have focused on surveillance manufacturing and image analysis. We now have 3 branches in Japan, United States, and China. We have invested more than 35% on our R&D team for developing AI and IoT solutions. To provide reliable MIT products, our factories are acquired 2 ISO certificates and possess ODM OEM skills. Our main mission is one-stop shopping services. Now, let's look at the domain know-how of EverFocus Total Solutions. When it comes to edge in computing technique, our device can receive GPS and vehicle metadata via ODB2 or J1939. Data information about the fuel status, engine speed, temperature, even drive command signals can be stored in drives. As mentioned previously, we have more than 25 years experience with mobile solution integration, enabling us to provide backend supports, including the fleet management software and cloud services. For the front-end AI edge device integration, our technique can fulfill AI object detection. NVR record network camera video streams and transmit metadata via ODB2, TPMS, and temperature sensor quickly via 4G or Wi-Fi. Moreover, with our development AIO software, the identity AI metadata can be stored in drives. As the 4G or upcoming 5G connection ability, our products can transmit metadata to backend servers or user mobile phone for easier management. All your vehicle groups are now be able to monitor. To monitor your driver behavior, such as turning vehicle without signaling, every action will be stored in drives and transferred to control center and manager's phone. This map shows our full functionally product solutions, consisting of the private cloud systems, hardware, and software. Just like public cloud, we also support Microsoft Azure IoT. Regarding Edge AI system and software, we have cross-platform AIO, stand for all-in-one NVR software to provide users same user interface between Intel and NVIDIA platforms. EverForce AI models can be trained over higher accuracy rates. Lastly, our high-quality cameras or diverse accessories can meet most project requirements without compatibility problems. EverForce AIO software covers NVR functions, remote management, AI edge computing, alarm notifications, cloud backup, and more. Now, let's look at our 2 AI applications in transportation. The first one, the AIO pedestrian and vehicle detection function, which is driving assistant AI model. This model helps drivers to identify blind spots and potential accident situations. Whenever vehicles move into the warned or warning zones, the drivers can quickly take action to prevent accidents. In the next AI scenario, we move to the metro station. For some special events, such as New Year's Eve celebrations, our real-time people counting system can count the number of people in the station and the crowd density. Then it can report the information to the control center through a simplified crowd control. For a sensitive area or specific zone, the loitering detection system can detect the spacious people and alert metro police. Furthermore, the aggregation report helps sales manager or their manager identify the hot zone locations, assisting the efficient aids placement and the pedestrian flow. Every solutions shorten the AI model training time. Importantly, the fleet management system helps fleet owners reduce human resources costs and save time. Software developers can easily develop the GUI or acquire the metadata in our software development kit. Everforce provides system integrated project planning supports and a one-stop shopping services. We offer hardware customization to fulfill the most project requirements, including the small form factor board, power adapter board, carrier board, or converters. In short, with our Taiwan Excellence Prize winning products, EIVP 5600 and EMV 407, customers could do a lot of things in transportation. This is Paul from Everfocus. We are looking forward to assisting you develop a safer working environment and welcome all inquiries. Thank you for your time.
And thank you, Paul, very much for joining the press conference today. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to remind you that anytime during the press conference, please feel free to raise questions if you have any by clicking on the Q&A link, which you will find at the bottom of the screen. We will be collecting questions and try to cover some of them during the Q&A session at the end of today's program. Next, Mr. Calvin Liu from Noodle Corporation will talk about the company's popular product, Noodle EV, the brain that orchestrates the operation of every charging station.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. Very nice to meet you here. I'm Calvin Liu. Today I want to introduce my company, Noodle EV. Noodle is an electric vehicle charging company. We are on a mission to accelerate the world's transition to zero-emission transportation. We believe with a decade, almost every city will transit to electric transportation. By year 2025, 350 models of new EV will be on the market. By year 2030, around 1 million electric vehicles will be on the road. However, they are not, these new vehicles will require the EV charging station, but there are not enough EV charging stations around the world. In each country and market, there are 3 industries that comprise the electric vehicles ecosystem. One is car manufacturer. Second, energy companies. The third is today's topic, EV charging business. There are a lot of potential opportunities for the third industry, EV charging business. However, there are 3 critical technologies for a company. This is a requirement for the company to enter the electric charging business. The first one is cloud operation system. The second, software. Third, hardware. Noodle can provide everything needed to enter the EV charging market. However, many EV charging business, they need to develop the in-house technology or integrate and source the EV charging station and the network software, which means they will cost extra cost and miss the time to the market. Noodle is an enabler that provides the essential components for the modern EV charging infrastructure. What makes Noodle different is Noodle EV OS. It is an advanced cloud-based operating platform. Noodle EV OS is 100% automated. 24 hours, 7 days, universal payment processing, bank transfers. Noodle EV OS also provide the pricing flexibility. It enables the administrator to set pricing, change the price automatically, and modify peak hour. Noodle also developed the automatic diagnosis system. You can check the condition of each charging station to ensure the optimal operation. Noodle also have the important technologies about the intelligent energy management. It includes the load balancing, smart scheduling, and automatic demand response. Noodle EVOS works with all certified chargers in every country or market. The EV charging operators can deploy the equipment. The equipment can be purchased in the local EV charging market, and then have the equipment connect to Noodle EVOS and become an EV charging network. Therefore, Noodle EVOS is a central brand that helps the global EV charging operators run a charging service network easily. The operator can run the business in the hotels, shopping center, workplaces, parking lots, public sectors, housing, and even offer the fleet management solution. Today's parking is tomorrow's charging. Let's share how Noodle turns the parking lot into the revenue-generating station in the US and Canada. In the EV charging environment, the user experience with the Noodle EVOS just take 3 steps, very easily. Scan, pay, and charge. Unlike the previous charging station in the US, the drivers has no need to make a service code to apply a membership card. No need to open an account. No need to use the RFID card to charge your vehicle. No need to download an app. Nobody likes the app. So the app retention rate is pretty low. So in Noodle, the driver just grab the credit card from your wallet, use a cell phone to scan the QR code, and pay with a credit card or Apple Pay or Google Pay. Plug in the charger into your vehicles and start charging. It's simple, fast, and easy. Noodle has developed the different algorithm to detect and diagnose the problems of EV station, then recover the charging operation automatically and very quickly. Therefore, the human maintenance is not required unless the hardware is destroyed. In order to increase the charging turnover rate, Noodle has developed a central control management for adjustment during the peak hour. So just by applying appropriate charging rate to the peak and off-peak hour, the EV charging operators' charging performance is continuous optimizing. Noodle is a car-free, app-free, account-free, code-free, and human-free. Noodle EVOS is 100% automated and 24 hours and 7 days autonomous operating. This is my presentation, and thanks for your listening. If you have any questions or inquiries, please reach me at my email address. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Kelvin, for joining us today. May I remind you that if you wish to submit questions, you can submit your question by clicking on the Q&A link at the bottom of the page. Our next speaker is Terry Chang from Acer ITS. She will talk about the company's smart parking meter system, Taiwan's first smart roadside parking solution.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. My name is Terry Zhang, and I'm the Director of Roadside Smart Parking Meter at Acer ITS. The topic I'd like to share with you today is the smart parking meter system, an efficient and sustainable parking solution every city needs. Acer ITS smart parking meter system is an accurate, efficient, and sustainable parking solution. It combines automatic occupancy detection, license plate recognition, automatic parking ticket issuing, and the multiple payment options. Drivers can obtain real-time information on the availability of roadside parking spots. It helps to reduce traffic congestion and waste emissions from cars searching for parking space. In addition, the smart parking meter accepts on-site payment with a smart card or through the PK Lot app, making payment convenient and time-saving. Parking operators benefit from the enhanced management efficiency and the higher turnover rate of the parking space. In addition, this system automatically issues parking fee tickets, reduces costs and errors, and immediately reports the roadside parking availability. With data collected through the smart parking meter, Acer ITS can provide information to assist the cities with urban planning and the transportation policy. Let me introduce the functionality of smart parking meter. The sensor detects car presence and triggers the object recognition. The camera captures the picture and the AI engine processes the license plate recognition. The display shows the parking time and the payment information. The checkout button allows the driver to start the payment process. The system accepts contactless smart card or online payment. Information about real-time parking spot will fit into the PK Lot app, and the driver can use the app to navigate to available space. This slide shows how the meter works. One meter comes with two cameras, which cover two parking spaces. This means both front and rear pictures of the car are captured, enhancing the recognition process of the vehicle license plate. The sensor detects car presence and triggers the object recognition process. For example, here you can see that the meter identifies the object is a person riding a motorcycle. And even though it has recognized the license plate, the object recognition process will not be triggered, and the parking station will not begin. After the AI engine identifies that the object is a car, it takes the location of the license plate in the photo, fixes the angle of the skew plate image, and recognizes the license plate number. The smart parking meter provides a simple-to-use way to drivers to pay their parking fee. Drivers can use contactless smart card, mobile payment, or pay through our PK Lot app that automatically charge the parking fee to avoid unnecessary fines. The app PK Lot is synchronized to all operator meter units to provide real-time parking availability. It can help to reduce emissions from car cruising for parking. The app is also support in-app credit card payment. Since the implementation of smart parking system, the turnover rate has increased 13%, and the usage has increased 41%. The smart parking meter system is designed to be a triangular prism with cameras on the two sides of the facade facing the roadside parking spot. The angle allows camera to accurately capture license plate of cars entering from different angles. The angular laptops has been designed for water running off and to prevent the accumulation of trash. Smart parking meter can work on both sides of streets and are not limited to the direction of traffic. The meters are placed on the sidewalk, making it safe for driver to pay on site. In summary, the Acer ITA smart parking meter system provides 3 major benefits. Firstly, it contributes to greener cities. Secondly, the driver benefits from the convenient and the accurate automation of the parking process. And thirdly, the Acer ITA smart parking meter system provides improved management system for city governments, resulting in a higher turnover rate and a more smoothly flowing city traffic. The Acer ITA smart parking meter system has won domestic and worldwide recognition, including the 2020 Taiwan Excellence Award and the 2019 Computex DNI Specialty Award and the 2018 WCIT Global ICT Excellence Award for Private Sector Excellence. We are honored to be recognized by this prestigious institution and will continue to provide high-quality products and services to our customers around the world. Thank you. We are looking for local agents to work together. And if you have any question or would like to further information, please contact me at the following email address. Thank you very much.
And thank you very much, Terry, for your product presentation. And that takes us to the next presentation. Our next presenter will be Jess Xu. She's the marketing coordinator of Huajie Taiwan. She will talk about Huajie Taiwan's smart manufacturing solutions.
Hello everyone, guests of industry and media from around the world. Good afternoon, I'm Jess. And I am delighted to have this opportunity to introduce Huajie Group. The Taiwan Huajie Corporation was established in June 1989 and now has 6 factories employing 900 people. Huajie specializes in the production of switches with more than 1,000 different kinds produced. More than 1 billion are produced every year. We focus on R&D in the fields of mechanic, acoustic, and sensing. The main concept of our product development is the efficient integration of humans and machines. Huajie has representatives in each region able to provide immediate service and full support. Allow me to introduce our excellent team who work under CEO Samuel's leadership. For Italy, Stefano. For Asia, we have Jasmine. For Europe, Sabrata. And for Japan, Kan. And now, please enjoy this short video.
Buongiorno a tutti, mi chiamo Stefano Colombo, sono Program Manager presso Posta Elettronica, agente esclusivo di Huajie per il mercato italiano. I nostri prodotti si prestano per un'ampia gamma di applicazioni. Se volete saperne di più, contattatemi.
Hi everyone, my name is Subrata. I'm sales manager at Huajie Taiwan. I'm in charge of Europe and Turkish markets. Our products are suitable for various applications, such as white goods, consumer electronics, automotive, etc. If you want to know more about our products, please contact me. Thank you.
はじめまして。バジェで日本営業担当をしております、コウと申します。弊社スイッチ製品はいろいろと日本市場にプロモーションしてまして、もし何かニーズやご要望などございましたら、ご連絡いただきますとありがたいです。どうぞよろしくお願いいたします。
We thank 3 of them. Our product can be divided into 3 major groups. Group 1, we have a switch, take switch, detector switch, slide switch, and micro switch. Group 2, acoustic components, including piezo, buzzer speaker, microphone. Group 3 is sensor transmitter controller to measure like pressure, level, or temperature. As mentioned, Huajie has 6 factories. Different products are produced at each base. With this management, we can expertly meet the individual requests and preference of customer. During the product design and development, we use a great deal of simulation testing equipment and method. And on the screen, you can see the production of our high-quality switches is fully automatic, with real-time monitoring and data gathering. Now, we hope you know more about our best-selling product and their application. The first product is PD series. It's only 2 by 3 mm in size, as small as single grain of rice. And the life cycle can be up to 500,000 uses. It can be applied to various types of wearable devices, including watches, smart bracelets, and mobile phones. The second is our TSIC series. This product has a life cycle of up to 1 million times and can be used for like a gun handle, headphones, and printers. The third TSK series product. There are a variety of operation forms to choose from. And this product can be used for Bluetooth speaker, gaming mouse, or electric toothbrush and your laptop. The fourth is our TSZ series. Can be used for various types of household appliances, including washing machine or dishwasher. Here, I would like to talk more about how do we maintain high quality and what is our core technology. And we believe the high quality comes from our excellent design. To evaluate whether the product will achieve the expected result, we generally use the following 3 analysis methods. On the left side is the first one. Terminal offset simulation. We calculate the stability of the structure through software, and then we can facilitate optimal structural design. In the middle is second, diametric stress analysis. Use the material information to calculate the number of the product life cycles, and we can analyze the material fatigue stress. Third, maximum stress simulation. We will find a location where the structure can be easily damaged during the use and increase the structural enforcement design. This, the ATS6C series. This product won the 2020 Taiwan Excellence Award. No disturbing noise in the car was the design concept. We considering the limitation of the interior space, silicone is used as the bottom material. This creates no disturbing sound or resonance effect, and we succeed in noise reduction. It's lower than 15 decibel. The life cycle of this product is more than 1 million times. And for the last part of today, we are very excited to show you our new product, ATT0A. From the picture, you can see this is a bilateral instant changeover switch. The structure provides stable contact conduction function. The product is a critical safety component in vehicle, including the feature of high weather resistance, high reliability, and high stability. Our automotive products are mainly used in auto electronic parking brake system. For example, you can see steering wheel control, infotainment control. Here, please scan the QR code. If you would like to know more information, we encourage you to visit our website and contact us at any time. We are Hua Jie, and thank you for your attention today.
And thank you, Jess, for joining us. With that, we conclude all the product presentations. We will now proceed to the Q&A session. Joining the Q&A will be the 4 product presenters and Mr. Jun Tse Wu, Director of the Strategic Marketing Department of Taitra. We would like to apologize that we will not be able to cover all the questions that had been submitted. However, we have selected a few which we will invite our speakers and panelists to answer. I will read out the questions and invite each speaker or panelist to answer one question. Once again, we would like to welcome the 4 product presenters from EverFocus, Noodle, Acer ITS, and Huajie Taiwan. In addition, we would also like to welcome Mr. Junte Wu, Director of the Strategic Marketing Department, Taitra. The Q&A session will now begin. The first question is for Mr. Junte Wu, Director of the Strategic Marketing Department, Taitra. Here is the question. Taitra has organized a series of online press conferences and events. What are the benefits of these online events, and what types of international partnerships are you looking to form? Director Wu.
Okay. Taiwan is a country with advanced integration of smart city and smart transportation systems based on AI technology and cutting-edge innovations. With the foundations, Taiwan Excellence aim to strengthen the bonds and business collaboration for Taiwan and the world by hosting this online press conference. And through the press conference, we have shared our insights in smart traffic data and analysis and services, EV charge system, smart parking systems, and smart transportation components and accessories. During the toughest time, I firmly believe such solutions can be of great benefit to the world for a smarter and safer future. Thank you.
Thank you, Director Wu, for joining us today. And our next question is for Mr. Calvin Liu from Noodle Corporation. So Calvin, what are the different types of charging equipment that can be connected with Noodle EVOS?
Okay, it's OCPP. OCP, the full name is Open Charging Point Protocol. It's an application protocol for communication between the electric vehicle charging station and the central management system. So with OCPP, all certified chargers can be connected to the Noodle EVOS and become a charging network. Thank you.
And thank you, Calvin, for joining us today. And the next question goes to Jess from Huajie, Taiwan. So Jess, what is the main target market, or markets, if you will, of Huajie's award-winning products? And what kind of business partnerships are you looking to form with potential buyers and companies around the world? Jess?
Okay, thank you for your question. Our target region of this product are America and Europe for sure. Mostly countries like Germany, the United States, or Italy. Those have many big automakers and their subcontractor. And for sure, our target is one to get approval at Tier 2 or Tier 3 level, as mostly switches and components are used by subcontractors. And we expect it from our partner to help us penetrate the market deeper. Our partners are very integral part of our business expansion strategy. So with their help, we would like to achieve greater market share. And because for sure we have invested a lot to make our test process completely automatic. We did this to ensure that we maintain superior quality of our product by reducing errors that are prevalent in manual test process. Our automatic test machine can be checked various aspects of the product safety, such as pin alignment, pin gaps, operating force. So thank you.
And thank you, Jess. That takes us to the next question. The next question goes to Ms. Terry Chang from Acer ITS. And here's the question. Can Acer's smart parking meter system be adjusted based on different parking rules and fare schemes? And what other functions does it support?
Okay, thank you for your question. A smart parking meter system is equipped with a powerful back-end management system. First, it can adjust the fare scheme based on the management requirements. For example, prepay or post-payment function. The smart parking meter can also provide a longer grace period or discount to people with parking permits. Secondly, it can be a great assistant to law enforcement authorities. The system can be used to monitor potential parking violation while helping the authorities to identify stolen car or untaxed vehicles. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Terry. And that takes us to the very last question today. This question is for Mr. Paul Lee from Ever Focus Electronics. Here's the question. Which segment of the market does Ever Focus target? And what kind of business partners is it looking for?
Thank you for your questions. We work at lots of the top institutes and companies around the world. Our products have been installed applied in several areas such as smart campus, transportation, smart cities, military facilities, police station, and more. While we are happy to emphasize that we move on the manufacturing industrial PC, we will continue to support our own customer for sure. As a result, we are seeking the partners who need an industrial PC with AI and IoT functionalities and excellent image analysis capabilities. As well as a partner, we need CCTV solutions with a reasonable price. And also, since Airforce is a Taiwanese company, we're offering products with the MIT made in Taiwan materials. We welcome all inquiries. Thank you.
Thank you, Paul. With that, we conclude the Q&A session. On behalf of Taitra, I would like to thank you for joining us, and especially for online viewers from around the world, thank you so much for tuning in to today's online press conference. Before we conclude, I would like to remind you to take a minute to scan the QR code that is currently being shown on the screen. Please take a minute to fill out our online questionnaire. Your feedback will help us better improve the quality of our future events. In the next few weeks, Taitra will hold more online press conferences, product launches, and more online events. So for more information, please go to the homepage of the Taiwan Excellence website at www.taiwanexcellence.org. Lastly, thank you once again for tuning in, and we hope to see you again soon.